Okay, so here comes the set, the kit for the spare tire for the Civic Type R. It doesn't come on the Type R when you buy it. So I ordered the kit and the dealership. That's the port number. Everything's in there. The wheel, the jack, everything. Okay, so I took everything out of the box. There's one part that goes in the floor. That's the part number right there. Spare tire, assembly, seals clear. So we have here the jack, normal jack. We have the tool set for the Civic right there. So this is for the tire. Yeah, everything's in here. First there, and then you got this other part where you put the tools on here. Now you got the tire. The spare tire is an 18-inch. Where is this? Right around here. It's a 18-inch. It's an 18-inch. Right there. R18. Inside this box, we have the wheel. And I had to take it to mount the tire on the wheel. And we'll be all set up for a spare tire. And the Civic Type R that never comes with it. You can get one at the dealership and order it. So we all set up. Thank you very much. Subscribe, give it a like. Say hi to Gino, my dog. Gino, come here, boy. Hello.